Okay, so real quick, I just want to give you a quick Desmos tutorial to help you get ready for your project and some of the different things that you're going to be doing. So I just wanted to show you a couple things that Desmos can do. So if you go to desmos.com, just type that into your search bar, this will pop up and you want to click on this graphing calculator button. And then this will take you into the actual graph. You can see you have a graph here. And over here to the left is where you're going to type your equations. So let's say I want to do a circle. So I'm going to do x minus 2. And then to put the squared in, I'm going to do the shift 6, which is that upside down V, and then a 2, okay? Now make sure that you arrow over to get out of the exponent, and then we can do the same thing for y. And then I want to set that equal to, there we go. Okay, so now I've got a circle. I can drag the graph a little bit here. I can zoom in and out as well, which is kind of cool to look at my circle. Okay. Next, I want to do a parabola, and I'm going to do, let's see, y equals 2. There we go. Okay. So I don't really have anything in mind that I'm making here, like any kind of picture or anything, but I just wanted to show you how this works. So now I've got a parabola on here. I've got a circle. I'm going to make some sort of funky picture with it. Who knows what it's going to be, right? Okay. But let's say I want to take this parabola and I'm going to make a smiley face and I want to move it down. Okay. So I'm going to do that by adjusting this number here and I'm going to move it down. All right, so that looks like kind of a good place, but I feel like I need to maybe make it wider. So I'm going to try like that. Okay, that looks like a pretty good smile if I'm going to make a smiley face. However, smiles don't go through the whole face. So I want to maybe restrict my domain and I want to cut it off like at this point here and at this point here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a curly bracket. And I'm going to say I want to go from 0 to 4. So 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 4. Now I've restricted my domain, my graph here, and I can cut it off. Okay, and you can do that for x or y. So say I knew what my y value was, I could do it from, in this case, it'd be 1 to 3. I could do it that way too. It doesn't matter. So you can kind of play with it a little bit to see how that works. Okay. So let's say I want to do a circle up here somewhere to make an eyeball. So I'm going to make the center at 0, 6, and I'm going to give it a radius of like, I don't know, 1. So I said 0, 6. There we go. Now I've got an eyeball. Okay. And I can do that again. And I can make that maybe over here at 4, 6. So the cool thing here is I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to put it in a new one and I'm going to make it at 4, 6. Okay. But now let's say I want my circles to match because it looks weird that he has one green eye and one purple eye. So if I press and hold this colorful thing here, I can change the color. Now they're both green and I can even make them dashed if I want to. I can change the weight of them if I want to make them a little thinner, etc. Okay, so there's some different things that you can do here with that as far as moving the graphs around, creating all kinds of things, and to make your picture. All right, so if you ever need extra tools or you're not sure how to put something in, there's this nice little keypad at the bottom here. If you pop that up, it has all of your, get this guy out of the way. It has all of your different functions. It has your different symbols. If you click this, you can actually put in other stuff. Most of the stuff we won't use now, but we will eventually. So it's kind of nice to know where it is. You can type in here. It's got a lot of your different stuff. Okay. So hopefully that's a little bit helpful for you as far as using Desmos. If you have any specific questions, if you can't get it to work right or it's just not working for you, shoot me an email and let me know. I would be happy to help you.